Last class you have learnt about transmission media like twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and optical fiber cable. These types of transmission medias were also known as guided media. Today we are going to learn about a topic called unguided media. Let us see what is this unguided media. It is also referred as a wireless transmission media. There will be no cables in case of unguided media. There is no physical medium which is required for the transmission of electromagnetic signals. There are different types of unguided medias like radio wave. The radio wave is the transmission making use of radio frequency is termed as radio wave transmission. These can be easily generated and can also be penetrated through a buildings. It has two parts, that is a transmitter and a receiver. As you can see in this diagram, there is a transmitter that will be transmitting the electromagnetic signals and there will be a receiver that will be receiving these electromagnetic signals. This will be in the form of waves. The data will be transmitted in the form of waves, that is in the form of signals. So where are this type of radio waves used? They are mostly used in FM radios and cordless phones. Let us see the advantage of radio wave transmission, that is it offers mobility and it is cheaper than the use of cables. The disadvantage is it is insecure communication, there is no security and susceptible to the weather effects like rain, thunder, storms, etc. So in case of any kind of weather effects like rain, thunder, the data will not reach the destination. The next unguided media is satellite. Satellite is a microwave relay station which is placed in outer space. The satellites are launched either by rockets or space shuttles carry them. Satellite communication is a wireless communication system. It provides voice, fax, data and video service. Let us see in this diagram. In this diagram you can see there is a antenna over here and this antenna, that is a station that will be transmitting the data to the satellite and this satellite will receive the data from this station and it will transmit that data to this station. So this is the receiver and this is the transmitter that will transmit the whatever the data in the form of microwave. It will transmit the data to the satellite and the satellite will receive the data and again it will transmit it to the receiver station. So this is called as point to point link. The other side you have got another diagram, that is there will be a transmitter that will be transmitting the data to the satellite and the satellite will receive the data and it will be transmitting to multiple receivers. As you can see here, there are multiple receivers this side and the other side also multiple receivers. All these receivers will be receiving the data in the form of microwave. So this is a broadcast link. So the first one is the point to point link and the second one is a broadcast link. Topic is the advantages of satellite. The advantages is that the area coverage through satellite transmission is quite high and the cable expense and cable maintenance difficulties are not there. Since we are not using any cables in case of satellite, there will be no expense for cable or for buying the cable, neither for maintaining the cable is not there and it will cover a huge area. The disadvantage is high investment and insurance cost. Insurance cost as well as the initial investment for launching the satellite will be high. Later the disadvantage is transmission highly depends on the weather conditions. It can go down in bad weather conditions. In case of rain, thunder, storm, then the transmission will be very bad. The next unguided media is infrared light. Infrared light is used to send the data. This light transmits the data to the air and propagate, that is, it will spread the light throughout the room. They do not penetrate walls. The best example for this type of light is remote controls. We use this light in case of remote controls in order to transfer the signals to the TV. The next unguided media is laser light. The laser transmission requires the use of laser transmitter and a photosensitive receiver at each end. The data transmitted using laser light. Today we studied about the different types of unguided media like radio wave, satellite, infrared light and laser light.